Changing the app icon size on your iPhone is a breeze. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Home Screen Edit Mode. Start by pressing and holding on an empty space on your iPhone screen. As the app icons wiggle, you've successfully entered edit mode on the home screen. Step 2. Customize. Now, tap the Edit button at the top left corner of your iPhone screen, then select the Customize option. Step 3. Change icon size. You can see two options at the bottom of your iPhone screen, small and large. To increase the app icon size, select the large option. Selecting a particular option allows you to switch between small and large app icon sizes. That's it. Now, let's see how to change the app icon size to extra large. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Display and Brightness section. Again, scroll down and tap on Display Zoom. Then, select the large text option and hit the Done button. A message prompts on the iPhone screen that says, "Changing display zoom will restart your device." So, tap on the Use Zoomed option and wait for the restart process to complete. After that, tap on the Done button at the top. Now, go back to the iPhone home screen, and you can see that the app icons are larger than before. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.